Awesome CBSE English Medium School Morbi, Class 2nd, Subject Mathematics, presented by Mathematics teacher Ms. Divya Panikar. Here we are going to study Unit 9 Measurement. Concepts are first longer, second taller, third lighter, fourth length, fifth centimeter scale, sixth weight, seventh capacity. Concept longer. Example 1. Fence is given at left hand side. At right hand side another fence is there. Right hand side fence is longer than left hand side fence. Pencil is here. Now look at here. Left hand side pencil is long but right hand side pencil is longer than the left hand side pencil. Length is the distance from one end of an object to the other end. Example 2. Car and train are here. Car is long but train is longer than car. Concept taller. Example 1. Two buildings are here with orange color and blue color. Orange color building is tall but blue color building is taller than orange color building. Example 2. Monkey and giraffe are dancing here. Giraffe is taller. You can see the difference. Concept lighter. Example 1. Leaf and tree is here. Leaf is lighter than tree. Butterfly and elephant is at right hand side. Butterfly is lighter than elephant. Example 2. Apple and pumpkin are here. Apple is lighter than pumpkin. At right hand side, sunflower and flower pot is here. Sunflower is lighter than flower pot. Example 3. Ink pot is lighter than water bottle. Notebook is lighter than dictionary. Non-standard unit of length. The length of tip of the middle finger to the elbow is a cubit. The length of one step while walking is a pace. The length of the thumb to the little finger is a span. The measure of the foot from the longest toe to the heel is a foot span. Standard unit of length. The standard unit of measuring length is meter. A scale or a ruler is used to measure length accurately in centimeters. A scale or a ruler shows both the inches and centimeters. The short form of centimeter is cm. 1 centimeter can be further divided into millimeters. The short form of millimeter is mm. Another unit of measuring length is kilometer. The short form of kilometer is km. Weight is the measure of the heaviness of an object. The standard unit for measuring weight is kilogram. We use kilogram for heavier object. The short form of kilogram is kg. We use gram for lighter object. The short form of gram is g. Capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. The standard unit for measuring capacity is liter. The short form for liter is L. We use milliliter for little capacity. The short form for milliliter is ml. Standard, non-standard unit of length. Earlier we seen hand span, foot span, cubit, pace. Standard unit of measurement. Weight is described in two categories, gram and kilogram. G is short form of gram, kg is short form of kilogram. Here gram weight is given 1 gram, 2 gram, 2 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram, 20 gram, 20 gram, 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram, 1 kg. These are weight to measure gram. Now here to measure kilogram, these are the weight 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, 20 kg. Length can be categorized with two. First is scale, second is measuring tape. Now this scale or ruler we are using in our classroom. Here you can see centimeter and here you can see millimeter. Millimeter we can write in short form as mm. Centimeter we can write as short form in cm. Now you can see 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter, 1 to 2 is another centimeter. From 0 to 2 we will count it is 2 centimeter, and millimeter means from 0 to this line, between 0 to this line small lines are there, so these are called millimeters. So after this big line where 0 lies, we will count 1 2 3 4 5. So between this 0 to this 5 line small lines are there, these lines are called millimeters. Now here measuring tape, this measuring tape you must see in house for using to measure furniture or room, etc. And here this kind of measuring tape you must see in tailoring shop. Now kilometer, these are the milestone we use to see in cities. Here this city is reached here, so it is 0 kilometer. That means this is the same city you are standing. Now this milestone here, so many things are written that NH means National Highway 78. Ambikapur is 0. That means you are at Ambikapur. And Kanthi is 372 kilometers far from where you are standing. Now this is an example of Gujarat, Bhavnagar. Here Bhavnagar is written with Gujarati language. Then 85 kilometer it is far, and Bhavnagar again it is written in international language English. So at state language is there and international language also will be there. And Tadja is 33 kilometer far, and this kind of kilometer board also you can see in the cities. At right hand side here Kasargod, Mangalore, and look at here, this is an example of Kerala state. Here two languages are there, English and Malayalam. Now at left hand side you can see this kind of board also there in the city, and this kind of board you can see in the highways. If you are traveling from Morbi to Rajkot, you can see this kind of board, or Morbi to Ahmedabad, or in any other city you can see this kind of board written with kilometers and cities. Now here Indian highway milestone color code. Milestones are there, but it has different color and it has different code. Now with yellow and white milestone it denotes national highways. Green and white milestone it denotes state highways. Black and white milestone it denotes city or district road. Orange and white milestone it denotes rural road. Capacity is categorized with 2 milliliter and liter. Milliliter we can write in short form as ml. Liter we can write as short form as L. Now here are three examples given. We can see in our daily life. This is eardrop bottle. So you check the bottle if you have at your home. It has very little capacity, so 20 ml or something. Now glass also, its capacity is less, so we can measure it as ml. Now again jug is here, jug. It is less than 1 liter, so we can count it as milliliter. Now here liter, again three examples are here. Water bottle is very good example of 1 liter water bottle. Okay, its capacity is 1 liter or 2 liter. Then here Syntex water tank is there. Its capacity maybe 500 liter, maybe 1000 liter, maybe 2000 liter more as per its capacity. Now here this vehicle you can see roaming in the city. It is petrol tank. It can hold more than 2000 liter of petrol or 10,000 or 20,000 liter of petrol. Okay, if you get chance, then check out how much liter petrol is there in this tank. Thank you for watching, students. Have a good day.